Many of you, if you're anything like us, you're already thinking about breakfast right about now, and it's time to start thinking about tacos. Why not? They're good for any time of the day.
Why would we ever stop thinking about tacos, right?
Yeah.
And if you could smell what it's like right here through the television, you'd be super stoked. Tomorrow is National Taco Day. Chelsea, it sounds like there are a lot of deals to be had.
Oh, there are so many deals and they are spectacular. I'm telling you, we got to talk about it. Look at this. This is from Chronic Tacos. They actually came here this morning and brought a huge plethora of all of this amazing food that you get to enjoy once we are done here today. But I'm giving you a heads up because both of their locations tomorrow are offering you tacos for free. I'm giving you the scoop early. Here's what you have to do. You have to get the special code. I found out that it's Taco Life, but you can double check. You can go to all of their social media sites today in order to plan ahead for tomorrow. But once you do that, you get tacos. There's also going to be all kinds of swag like hats and all kinds of fun like this as well. So you're going to want to check it out. Now, let's switch gears. Taco Guild is offering their happy hour price on tacos all day tomorrow, just $2.75. That's going to actually save you more than $2, so that's a good one. Del Taco is celebrating with buy one, get one free special on their shredded beef soft taco, delicious. And you can get an endless supply of tacos at On the Border. Just pay $8.99. I joked earlier, I don't know what endless supply means, but if I have to pay close to $9 for it, count me in. At Rubio's, a free taco is what you will score when you join their email list. And for dessert, these two are insane. Jake's Unlimited is offering their unicorn cotton candy tacos, 2 for 10 buckaroos, and more sweet tacos at Nitro Live Ice Creamery. They are going to be selling their ice cream tacos for $2 all day. That's half off. And we actually had one of our producers tell me this morning that I think Cold Stone's getting in on the action too. So once I find that out, I'll let you know. But here we are enjoying the Chronic Tacos, and no matter how you like it, you're not going to be paying full price tomorrow. So plan ahead. And Kaylee, Allison, you guys hungry?
Now we are, for sure.
I think you made the whole valley hungry. My goodness,
so
the whole
good.
state. Yeah, looks good. Chelsea, thank you.
Looks awesome. Thank you.